Guys, welcome back to YouTubers. In today's video, we are going to learn about workflow action in Zoho Books. Now we're in the home page of Zoho Books. We are going to navigate to settings. Under organization setting, we can see various tabs. Here you can see automation. Here we have a tab for workflow action. I'm going to click on workflow rules. In this, we have yesterday created one workflow. Like a name is invoice over 50,000 approval. When I go to workflow action, you can see the based on the workflow rule created, the workflow action is automatically created. Like I value invoice alert and rules is invoice over 50,000 approval. First, what does workflow action mean? Workflow action is an automatic task performed by Zoho Books when the condition of an workflow rule are satisfied. When the automation should run, then workflow action decide whether it is satisfying the condition or not. In this, for creating this workflow action, we have the 5 setup. First, you can is email alert, in-app notification, field update, webhooks, or function. First, what does this email alert mean? Email alert, it is used to automatically send an email to user when a specific event or condition is met. For example, I will create the workflow action when the sales order is greater than 1 crore, then you have to run. Then automatically the email will be created in workflow. In this, you can see we already have an workflow action. In this, I'm going to click on plus new and create. For this, I will give my workflow action as hi invoice alert. You can see we already have this high invoice alert. So for this, I will use the keyword as manager because it is now manager by manager. In this, you can see we have to select the module invoice. Then from, I'll choose created by email template. You can, in this, you can see we have a default option. If you want to create any new template, you can click on this, add the new email template. In this, it will provide a template what we want. But in my case, I'm going to use the default option. If you have any attachment also, you can attach. Next, in this email recipient, in a created by CCBC, you can leave it blank. It will be filled by account manager. Next, I click on save. You can see now the email alert of an iNovice alert manager is being created successfully. Next option we have is in-app notification. What does in-app notification means? It is going to display a notification inside the application to instantly inform user about important update. For example, if you're using a Zoho Books, you can get an update directly in your mobile phone that an manager told we have to create a workflow when an invoice is greater than 50,000. In your phone only, it will be updated. So in this, I'm going to click on plus new app notification and create. Here I'm use the same name, hi invoice alert. Then in this module, it is default invoice. Then in this recipient, I will choose created by. Here we have to provide a message, that is the description. In this, I will provide if an invoice is greater than 50,000, then you provide an alert, provide a notification. Once I click on the save, you can see in app notification, our new high invoice alert is also saved. Now, what does field update means? Field update automatically change the value of selected field when the workflow is triggered. For example, when any workflow is triggered, for example, you can see in this automatically invoice or sales order option we have. In this, we have no field update. So I'm going to click on plus blue. Here we have to provide the name. Again, I will provide the name as I invoice. And in this module, I'm using it as a quotation. In this, I will update need. I'm going to click. You want to update the notes. When the note is greater than 50,000, I'm going to click on save. You can see this field update for the quotation also saved successfully. Next, we have an option for webhook. Webhook automatically send the data from Zoho Books to another application in real time. For example, when I click on this new webhook, then some name module, when you give your perfect correct URL, then any update from Zoho Books to CRM or inventory can be sent automatically. But in my case, I'm not using this. If you want, you can configure. Next, we have an option called function. What does function means? It is used to write a one custom code to automate a task. When you want to in the Zoho Books, already all the modules have, but you need one specific function for your business purpose. Then you can click on plus new and you can enter what the function name, what you want, and for what the module you want, for a delivery challan, credit nota, invoice, quotation, like that. You can select the module for this you want. Then we have to use the programming language like Node.js, you want a Java, Python, you want a, depending on your company business need, you can provide. After providing all the details, when you click on proceed, then it will be automatically configured. This is about workflow action in Zoho Books, guys. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe your YouTubies. Thank you, guys. We'll see you in next video.